So, right, tell me what type this is. Okay. The underside of the tongue. The underside of the tongue. Lift the underside. Okay. Right. What toes?
RAJEKWESI.
It's RAJEKWESI, yes. And you can see the needle feathers.
Iron feather.
Yes. Can you show me the wattles between? Is there any redness in between? No. Sorry, here.
Oh, chicken.
So there's no mulberry, no redness here. Get a close-up of the eye. The eye is sort of brownish, dark brownish. Can I see the chest?
Yes, okay.
Okay. And yes, the fibro. The back. Feet. So this is a clean legs.
Oh, clean.
RAJEKWESI. No feathers on the shanks.
Yes, no.
Okay. The nails are as light as they can get. The underside of the feet.
Kotor, mau dibersihkan dulu, Pak. Vigo basuh aja sikilnya. I'm sorry, please.
It's okay.
Vigo basuh aja. Pak belum. Iya,
So that's a male. A male.
Dia smell.
Okay.
Pokoknya dari mana?
Give
So black.
quick wash to the legs, the nails, the underside of the feet.
Oke. Ini tanah.
All right. That's fine. That's a female RAJEKWESI.
Yes.
She's just had food. Yeah, the tongue's fine. Underside of the tongue? Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Nothing between. The chest area?
Yes.
Okay. Yes. And then the back. So this one has feathered shanks, as you can see. Right, the underside of the feet.
Yes. Ini tempat tanah kotor.
And it's all good. Right, so this is your RAJEKWESI. Male and female.